Hi traders, today is 28th of October 2019. We are now live. Day trading crude oil futures, CLX 2019 December contract. 2019 at this moment, the market have a strong bearish movement at the beginning of London session. In spite of that, we receive from my setup a buy signal, which is at 56.59, and TP is 57.02, should be around 43 ticks. That's what I expected from this kind of trade. So at this moment, the order is not yet filled, so we're still looking, waiting for to go into the market. So it's quite clear that the market make a bearish kind of move during the beginning of London session. Based on the volume, looks like there's no such a big move, or there's no extreme in the volume queuing from the upper side or the bottom side. So let's wait whether this could be a reversal, a full reversal for the bullish position, or maybe continuation on the bearish side. So let's wait. So the first signal appeared at 56.59. So let's hope it got triggered, or maybe we can have another signal later on, but we'll keep updated. And so for this, it looks good today, because this is the first day. Normally the market looks good. We try to make as much as possible for today kind of position, and price now is 56.44. So there's some tendency for the market to remain on the higher side. So as we expected since last week, the market did go on the bullish movement throughout the whole week. So this might give an advantage for us to keep continuing on the bullish price level. So there's some of information on the bullish movement. So we have a failed movement last Friday, although the first entry is the bullish, because it is too near, so we have to exit at loss for the first time last week, and then try to enter resell, also hit the stop loss. So by the end, the market go for the bullish kind of move. So as for now, for today, we will wait for another 30 minutes. So this is my trading setup. Based on this trading setup, there will be a signal every day from London session and also US session. Okay, we have been entering a new hour. So this is hourly chart. So this is a new candle been formed. So as you can see, the market open slightly lower. Sorry. And then try to reverse back, but at this moment still waiting. We are not far from the entry point. Price now is 56.50. We are about 9 ticks. It's not far, just a few ticks. So we can see whether the market will go trigger this position and go for a bullish kind of movement. So the TP will be so this is the entry point. The TP will be at 57.02. It's not far, somewhere here. I'm expecting the price to go for the higher position once it trigger this. So let's wait. So in terms of the smaller time frame, you can see it's quite huge, going further down during the London session opening, and now try to reverse back. I'm expecting for the minor pullback and then further up. So penetration of this, we have to find another short sell position. So maybe in another 1 hour we can see that the order got filled. So let's win. Alright traders, it has been 3 hours after my setup provide this kind of signal to go for a bullish position, and we're still waiting for the market to fill our order. And at this moment, this is where we queue our position, and the market already dropped and tried to reverse back. Once it's penetrate this level, I'm expecting for the market to go for the bullish until US session beginning time, or maybe perhaps we are looking at the live now. The price reverse back. So there's opportunity as well to short sell the market. Still we have to wait for another 29 minutes to determine whether the market will go for the bullish or bearish movement. If there is a bearish signal, then we'll go in as a bearish later on. Hi traders, we resume back again. So still not yet filled, but looks quite promising at this moment. Time now is 8 a.m. New York time, and also London time is 12:01 afternoon time. And we're still queuing at the same price level, which is at a 56.59. Not yet been filled on the larger time frame. As you can see that the market didn't go further down, so I'm expecting for the market to have a bullish kind of a movement for tonight. I'm expecting a bearish, but my setup provide me a bullish candle signal. Sorry, from my setup is bullish signal. So I have still remain the same entry level 56.59. Target TP is 57.02. So let's wait patiently. Maybe in the next 30 minutes, the order got filled, and we can see that the price will fly high. We are almost in the market. Price now is 56.55. Our Q is 56.59. Only a few ticks away. So there's a large volume detected at 56.84, which is quite good in terms of the direction of the market once we enter for the bullish position. Okay guys, we in the market. The order just got filled at 56.59. So I think I should update. Order already filled, and yeah, after almost 5 hours we are waiting at the 56.59, and the market got triggered. So let's wait and see whether the market can go further up. So we are expecting for the market to have a bullish kind of movement. So this is our entry. The TP target should be around here. So around 43 ticks. Stop loss is somewhere here at the 39. Right guys, resume back again. So far looks good. The PNL at this moment is 220 US dollar. So let's wait a few more minutes. So there's a large volume detected at 56.76, 112. So there's also large volume can be seen at 57.00, which is quite typical price level to be wait. So this is the target of the profit. So on the larger time frame, this is how it looks like. So this is 1 hour chart. We accumulate around 200 US dollar in profit. So this is a TP area. It's not far. It's about 30 plus ticks to the price level of our profit target. So by the way, there's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. Looking good at this moment. The price keep pushing on the higher side. Time now is 9:17 a.m. New York time. So on the larger time frames, everything's turned to green. This means we are on the good direction on the market. So there's more or less market will penetrate the recent high. So the TP target here is quite reasonable. It is what have been calculated before we enter the market or place the entry order. We're still in the positive side. Price now is 56.77. There's a large volume detected at 56.84 and also at 57.00. So this moment the PNL is 360 US dollar in profit. So on the larger time frame, we're expecting for the market to explode when break from the nearest high of the larger time frame. We did enter on this price level of 56.59. It was a clean one. Hopefully the price will remain higher, or we can see the large volume coming in to push it much more further high. So we can see there's two price level with higher Q on the short sell position. Any moment. Now PNL is 400, already reaching 400 and 420. It looks strong at this moment. You can see there's the PNL also already increased to 540 US dollar, and you have to wait some more because the price is not far from the TP target. Price now is 56.87.88, so should be around 14, another 14 ticks to reach. So the market already broke the to the high, which is the nearest high on the larger time frame, and yeah, should I hope it can reach. So that's we can only wait at this moment, although the profit looks good and promising at this moment. Need to have some patience because we can see there's a large volume waiting at 57.00, which good indication that the market will go to this direction. So we are queuing to exit the market at profit around 57.02 and 57.03, about that area. Should be a good exit, I believe, from the calculated profit targeted area. Okay guys, it was a sharp reversal. So it was unexpectedly a losses of 260 US dollars in profit. We have been good just now, but suddenly during at 10 a.m. New York time, so the market did make a full reversal. So this is what we are not expecting. So we use the trading stop. So already exit the market at losses around 260 US dollar. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and maybe we continue again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.